Hello everyone, so in this video I'll be telling about publishers. There are two types of publishers. First is traditional publishers, second is non-traditional, or you may say private publishers. So traditional publishers are basically those who will hand over you a complete package and will give you royalty in front, and they'll expect you a particular target of sales that will be in your contract and everything. But in order to get accepted by traditional publishers, you either have to be in contact with editors or proofreaders or someone from the company, or you must be very popular or some type of celebrity, so that they can have an access that when you'll be signing a contract, that if you will be able to publish your novel with them, your book with them, then you can assure them that that number of books will be sold in this much of time, because they have deadlines and they'll give you the royalty upfront and they'll take the rest of the money. So this is the thing with traditional publisher. They don't usually accept proposals easily, but you have to write a proper email, and if they'll check, they'll reply, they'll give the response within 3 to 4 months. It can take even more than that. I have experienced it because I have tried reaching to Penguin, HarperCollins, Rupa Publications, Christie Publications, and sometimes they reject, and most of the times they don't even reply. So this is the thing with traditional publishers. But if you have nice contact, or you are in touch with any of the editors, or you're talking to someone who is in link with those publishers, and they can hire a editor or ghostwriter for you or anything, then you can have your opportunity to get your book published with them. But the thing is, non-traditional publishers is that it's private publishing. So they have offers from 5,000 to 1,50,000 and even more. It depends on what you are taking in those packaging, from publishing to promotional, marketing, strategies, website, Amazon, Flipkart, Facebook pages, and author profile, author earnings, reality, book printing, event, newspaper, media coverage. Every price range increase from what you're adding in those packages. Some of the private publishers are I forgot the names. Shakespeare Publishers, Dream Publications, and there are literally numerous numbers of publishers out there who offer different things and different sort of benefits, fringe benefits, as per whatever the package you are choosing. Some even offer certificates and medals, some give trophies, some give promotion, some includes whatever the package you're taking, it is included in the list, ISBN, copyrights, and everything. And the different completely alternative option is self-publishing. Yeah, non-traditional publishers include that self-publishing because the copyrights remains to you and they are just taking the money for the publishing purpose. But there is another option if you want to self-publish by your own. It's the platform that is called Notion Press and Pencil app. They both provide you self-publishing platforms with zero cost, but there is a condition with Pencil app that the Pencil platform has a word limit of 10,000 words only, so you can't exceed that limit, and they won't provide you opportunity to publish if your word limit is exceeds 10,000. Notion Press don't have any word limit. They'll even provide you the opportunity to design your own outlet and give you different templates for books, for covers, interiors, formatting, and everything is very systematic. They'll offer you print on demand, but the problem is sometimes realities and everything, because printing and uploading it on Amazon, everything costs a lot, and it's just print on demand. But it's a very nice opportunity for beginners to get their book out on an nationwide level via Amazon and Flipkart. So Notion Press is a nice opportunity. Or you can do you can take ISBN number on your own. From ISBN you can even publish your book without an ISBN. Amazon provides that opportunity, and you can just launch it via social medias and get your book. The main thing is to write and let the world know about your write-ups. If you want to write it for yourself, just go ahead with it. If you want others to know, then go ahead with it. Everything is what you want to do and what you like to do. I have had my experiences with traditional self-publishers and non-traditional and self-publishing platform Notion Press. And at the end of the day, I preferred publishing on my own because that's how I want to grow. And yeah, I definitely wanted to get accepted by traditional publishers, but of course they have different criteria, and my book wasn't it got rejected, but there is a better opportunity after rejections because you are not giving up. So don't give up. And if you like this information, do let me know if you have any queries, and do subscribe to my channel, and I'll be coming up with more information regarding book journey, book submissions, writing, printing, publishing and whatnot. Thank you.